News 13 Skywatch weather.
Step out the door at this hour. It's still relatively mild considering we should be much colder than this, so it's a decent evening out there now. Hunter Subaru Skycam Network shows some clouds in the area, but no wet roadways to speak of. That's going to come eventually. I think it's tomorrow later in the day that we'll have our best chance of rain. Morning hours probably dry to start out and then getting progressively wetter. Temperatures now 40s and 50s around the mountains, still some areas in the 60s. All that rain off in Tennessee still holding off for now. All right, so overnight dry, but then in the morning when you wake up, a few showers are possible. A lot of the rain is going to hold off until the afternoon though, and lunchtime we have a pretty decent chance of showers, maybe some thunderstorms even involved later in the day. Can't rule out some of these storms possibly getting severe in our southern counties as you go south and west of Asheville down into the upstate too. That doesn't mean it's going to happen, but it does mean that if they do happen, they could put down some damaging wind and some larger hail. So be aware, especially late day tomorrow. By 8:30 in the morning, some showers getting better organized. By 10 o'clock in the morning, might see some of those showers already in Asheville and Hendersonville, Brevard. There's a good slug of moisture. If this is going to happen, boy, around lunchtime could be pretty wet. Heavy rain, maybe some claps of thunder involved with that round coming through. By 2 o'clock, it's moving out, and then we wait for another big push of moisture. That's coming post-sunset tomorrow. Heavy downpours, maybe some embedded thunder, and these are places that we might see some of those stronger storms, especially south and east of Asheville. After midnight tomorrow night, things really wind down quickly. And then in the morning, Wednesday, big travel day, it looks mostly dry now for much of the area. We'll start with some clouds and then stay in the 50s and 60s throughout the afternoon. So over the next 5 days, the numbers are pretty impressive west, closer to Tennessee and down over the upstate. Could see over an inch of rain in spots there. Around Asheville, a quarter to half an inch is probably in the cards for us. Likely to get rain tomorrow. There's just a chance Wednesday, and then drier Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Big holiday plans, though. If you are traveling, again, decent day to do so on Wednesday. 60s for highs, but then it's just going to get downright cold. Here comes winter again. 40s for highs Thanksgiving Day. It'll be gusty. You know it's going to feel colder than that. And 40s again on Black Friday. But this is a short-lived cold snap, hence the name cold snap. Once we get to the end of the month into December, look at that orange showing up again. We'll get warmer again. Overall, temperatures will be above average then. All right, so 7 days of weather ahead. Here we go. We're talking 60s Wednesday, 40s for Thanksgiving and Black Friday, 40s again on Saturday, and then we'll slowly start to warm things up by the end of the weekend. We'll have another shot of rain. In the upstate, you're also going to see your milder weather on the front end of the forecast and then getting chillier. Highs might not get out of the 40s Friday and Saturday before more rain returns Sunday.